Chasing the end of the rainbow, one of two. A rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that is caused by reflection, refraction and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. It takes the form of a multicolored circular arc. Rainbows caused by sunlight always appear in the section of sky directly opposite the sun. Rainbow is produced on a screen of water drops, raindrops, or droplets of drizzle or fog, in the atmosphere by light from the sun or moon. When rainbows are produced by the sun, their colors are usually brilliant, and when produced by the moon, moonbow, their colors are much weaker or sometimes absent. A rainbow is not located at a specific distance from the observer, but comes from an optical illusion caused by any water droplets viewed from a certain angle relative to a light source. Thus, a rainbow is not a tangible object. It cannot be physically approached. When a light strikes a surface or boundary between two media, the following may occur. 1. Absorption. 2. Reflection, diffuse, specular. 3. Transmission, refraction, dispersion. Absorption, the light's energy is transferred into the second medium, usually as heat. Reflection, light bounces off a surface and changes direction. A. Diffuse reflection. The light stays in the first medium, scattering backwards in all directions. B. Specular reflection. The light stays in the first medium, bouncing off the boundary in a direction determined by the law of reflection. Transmission, light enters the second medium, at a direction determined by Snell's law. A. Refraction. Bending of light, sound, water and other waves as it passes from one medium into another. B. Dispersion. The spreading of white light into its full spectrum of wavelengths. The different colors of light, which travel together in the original ray of sunlight, refract differently. If the original light is a single ray, dispersion will cause separation of colors since each color follows a different path. The three phenomena above may happen simultaneously or in combination. Raindrops are basically transparent, absorption and diffuse reflection may happen, but the amounts are negligible. Rainbows may also be formed on a screen of spray. It was Sir Isaac Newton who discovered that sunlight falling upon a prism could split into its component colors. This process is known as dispersion. Newton admitted his eyes were not very critical in distinguishing colors. Originally in 1672, he divided the spectrum into 5 main colors: red, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Later he included orange and indigo, giving 7 main colors by analogy to the number of notes in a musical scale. Newton chose to divide the visible spectrum into 7 colors out of a belief derived from the beliefs of the ancient Greek sophists, who thought there was a connection between the colors, the musical notes, the known objects in the solar system, and the days of the week. Scholars have noted that what Newton regarded at the time as blue would today be regarded as cyan, and what Newton called indigo would today be considered blue. Fogbow. This is a primary rainbow caused by refraction and reflection, and to a minor extent diffraction, of sunlight or moonlight in very small water droplets. It appears on a screen of fog or mist. The fogbow consists of a white band, usually fringed with a faint, thin red band on the outside and a faint, thin blue band on the inside. The fogbow is also sometimes known as a cloud bow, mist bow, or white rainbow. A rainbow is not a pure spectrum. It is actually made up of a myriad of individual spectral colors that have overlapped and mixed. Unlike a prism, a raindrop disperses sunlight such that colors overlap. Thus rainbow green is greens plus progressively weaker contributions of yellows, oranges and reds. On closer inspection of a rainbow shows that there is a whole range of colors, so many that we cannot distinguish them all with the naked eye. Top diagram, the classical rainbow, one made from sufficiently large drops that diffraction effects are not apparent, is made up of overlapping bows of individually pure spectral colors. Only a few examples are shown. Bottom diagram, the final colors that we see are mixtures. Chase rainbows is an idiomatic expression which means to pursue unrealistic or fanciful goals or try to achieve the impossible.